NASA's Webb telescope snaps very shocking picture of mainstays of creation. Taking a gander at this notorious star-framing locale in the mid-infrared is similar to putting grandiose haze goggles on the organization's strong telescope. New pictures from NASA's cutting-edge James Webb Space Telescope present perspectives on the universe so clearly and freshly, it's creepy. For Halloween, the space organization turned up the red in an image of the terrific mainstays of creation to give this surprising star-framing district a hazier, dustier tone. The mainstays of creation situated inside the rambling bird cloud approximately 6,500 light-years away. First accomplished cosmic distinction when the Hubble Space Telescope noticed it in 1995. Then it was carried once again into the spotlight as the scope returned to it in 2014 and last week. Hubble's replacement Webb gave profoundly sharp, point-by-point perspectives on the points of support, figuring out how to look through a greater amount of the area's clouding dust than was beforehand conceivable. That picture was delivered by the machine's close infrared instrument. Notwithstanding, it just so happens, Webb is additionally prepared to let the residue and gas themselves sparkle in their own ethereal manner. Changing to Webb's mid-infrared instrument, or MIRI, gave the frightening perception of the notable support points we see above. Seeing the scene in the mid-infrared draws out the residue that shrouds light from various stars radiating through. Shimmers all the more effortlessly seen on different pieces of the range, and is featured in Webb's fundamental picture of the scene, as per NASA. The impact loans the entire scene a more spooky feel, similar to an extraordinary shadowy hand arriving across the universe. The blood-red tints featured by MIRI are sufficient to make you keep thinking about whether we're really taking a gander at the sky or somewhere somewhat more horrendous. That red locale close to the top is where the residue is generally cool and diffuse, and very much like a tempest cloud on the planet. The haziest grays and the points of support demonstrate the thick dust storms. Other than being a frightening, grandiose, beautiful sight, this new view additionally gives more itemized information that will permit stargazers to build more complete 3D models of this violent locale where whole planetary groups start out.